This is video instruction tutorials for Goldsite 6-in-1 Respiratory Pathogens Combo Test Kit. First, get prepared by checking all the kit components consist of IFU, test cartridge, sampling swab and extraction buffer. Place the cartridge on a clean, flat and dry surface. Remove the foil from the top of the extraction tube. Collect the sample with the nasal swab. Rotate the swab 10 times against the nasal wall for each nostril. Place and soak the patient swab into the extraction tube. Rotate the swab 10 times while squeezing the sides of the tube. Set a timer for 1 minute. Leave the swab in the tube for 1 minute. After 1 minute, attach and tighten the dropper tip to the top of the tube. Then add 3 drops into each sample well of the cartridge. Start the timer. Leave the cartridge at room temperature for 15 minutes. After the 15-minute incubation, read the results. For each of the 3 test line, the control line must appear for the test to be valid. If the control line is not visible, the test is invalid. If the control line and any of the test lines appear, the test is positive for the corresponding pathogen. If the control lines are visible, but none of the test lines appear, the test is negative. Co-infection with more than one pathogen is rare. If the results are positive for more than one antigen, it's recommended to retest with a new sample.